It's not just frustrating, it's risky, because when the data's not there, your credibility and your savings estimates and your clients' trust in you are all on the line. That's the bad news. The good news, many buildings actually do have pretty good data. You may have mostly good data and just a bit of bad data. And in some larger, well-managed facilities, you may even think that there is too much data. But even if quite a lot of data is missing, there are a few strategies you can adopt so you can still deliver value to the building owner or operator or your client. So why is data sometimes missing? Why do buildings or industrial facilities have data gaps? Firstly, record could be a mess. Old buildings may have changed hands, staff may have changed over, and documentation is lost in the shuffle. I've actually seen maintenance logs that just come with sticky notes on a circuit board. Secondly, there can be multi-tenant setups. If you're looking at a building with multiple tenants, trying to get 24 months of utility bills for every suite in the building or in a strip mall is really hard. Good luck. Thirdly, there can be no submetering. Most buildings actually only have a single main meter. You know the total energy use, but you don't know the details of what's driving it. Now, whilst it's less common than it used to be, and depending on where you are in the world, even today, there are brand new large buildings with only 1 meter for the whole site. Fourth, equipment mysteries. There's no asset register, no schedule. Nameplates are painted over or inaccessible or worn out. Fifth, drawings are missing or incomplete. For example, you may have site plans but no mechanical services plan. Or maybe you don't even have site plans and you're just relying on a fire exit drawings. And although, thankfully, this doesn't happen very often, maybe there are no plans at all. Finally, there's the issue of organisational churn. Maybe the person who knew the building best has just retired and the new guy hasn't much of a clue about the site at all. In fact, and this happened to me, you end up explaining to the new guy how the building works. So the bottom line is that actually missing data is a common problem, not an exception. And if you're waiting for perfect records, you'll be waiting forever.